Bright sa cabin, and I am from Group 5. So, I am here to discuss Chapter 14.7 to Chapter 14.10. The size of hot water tank. The size of the hot water tank depends on the following considerations: the kind of the building served, the expected number of occupiers or users, and the heating capacity of the supply device. So the water must be of sufficient capacity to replace the discharged water in a reasonable time interval. If a tank installed is designed to serve 50 gallons of water in any 1 hour of the day, the heater must be able to replace the same in 1 hour. The rating or capacity of the water heater is indicated by the manufacturer in the label of their products. So the kinds of buildings: office buildings serve 4 to 5 gallons of water per hour. For school buildings, 2 to 3 gallons. For apartment buildings, 8 gallons. For hotels, 8 to 10 gallons. For factories, 4 to 8 gallons. And for residential, serves 10 to 10 gallons of water per hour. For working load of hot water system, the working load of hot water supply system and building is somewhat difficult to estimate, but experience proved that for schools, offices, or industrial type of buildings, the average rated maximum consumption of hot water per person is about 25%. For apartments and residencies, the average working load is about 35%. And for hotels, the working load is 50% of the rated consumption per person. Water and energy waste in hot water line. In every household equipped with hot water installation, water waste and energy waste cannot be avoided. Hot water inside the pipe simply cools off between the time it was drawn and shut off. The next time hot water is drawn, the cold water inside the pipe is the first one to come out before the hot water reaches the faucet. Therefore, the volume of hot water standing in the pipe is just thrown away and wasted, notwithstanding the energy consumed when it was previously heated. So, suggestion how to maintain hot water and energy waste. The first one is hot water pipeline should be short as possible. The second one, the hot water should be near and accessible to where most of hot water is needed. Next, use smallest size of pipe that will provide a satisfactory supply. It is less expensive in terms of heat and water waste. Number 4, a 10 mm copper tube, if not too long connection, is the most economical size to serve runs for sinks, laboratories, shower bath, and other similar fixtures. Copper tube absorb less heat than steel pipes, thus, this insulation is required. Pipe carrying domestic hot water should be insulated to conserve fuel cost and to assure a correct water temperature at the point of use. A 12 mm thick fiber glass was proven efficient insulation cover. So hot and cold water line running parallel with each other should be separated at minimum distance of 15 cm to prevent heat interchange. So the last one is the small storage tank and heater is preferred. So the last topic for this chapter is the protection of the hot water tank. Pressure and temperature, if not controlled, may cause serious damages to the hot water storage unit. Excessive pressure or temperature inside the tank may cause rupture or explosion of the tank. Protect your tank with temperature pressure relief valve. So, we need to install a temperature pressure relief valve on the hot water tank or hot water supply line to protect the system. The pressure relief valve must be closer to the tank, provided with a drip pipe from the relief valve extending downward to the basement floor near the floor drain. The purpose of steam relief valve is to protect the hot water space heating system, while the temperature and pressure relief valve protects the hot water supply system.
Ikaw.
So there are two types of water heating system. The hot water space heating system is where water is confined within a system of low temperature. The second one is the hot water supply system, not in a closed system which operate on much higher temperature. The settings of these relief valves were factory made. They should not in any manner be tampered by the owner or his unauthorized technician. So that's all, sir. Thank you.